So the first type of virtual private network that Azure supports is called point-to-site. It's actually also the simplest to set up. The concept of this is you've got a single computer within your network that needs to connect to this virtual network within Azure. This is perfect for when you're in the development phase. Let's say you do want to spin up this SQL Server and you're a developer, and on your local machine you want to be able to access it and be able to use it as if it's local. Then you would set up something like a point-to-site. It is not very effective if you've got an entire company that needs to access particular servers or a bank of servers, because then you're going to have to set up the point-to-site connection on each one, and then there's limitations around that. And so you're going to have to create a self-signed certificate and be able to do a virtual private network between a single computer and Azure. Now, it's also sometimes used for setting up a particular server to connect to Azure, not just a developer machine, but developer machine seems to be one of the more common ways of doing this. And so this is called a point-to-site connection. And they also abbreviate it to PTS. Okay, so the point being the single computer, the single server that is connecting to the site, which is Azure. So that is what's called a point-to-site connection. In the next video, we'll talk about site-to-site, which is more common, but also requires a little bit more work.